where we left off the other day, you guys seen that the motor was in, you guys seen that all the electrical was done, axles are in. Even though I did put a broken one in it, I wanted to be able to move it because I can't open the doors when this car's on the hoist. So pretty much everything is done underneath the hood. But what we got to do now is we got to do the rest of the car. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I haven't even started stripping this car yet. It still has a full interior in it. It still has all the windows in it. It has the headliners. All I've done is swap the motors. So what we're going to do today is usually what we do first, but we're doing like fifth this time. And that's stripping the car because it's still complete. We got a little bit of time today before we got to go to my mother's Christmas dinner or New Year's dinner or whatever. So we'll see how much we can get done. But I'm pretty sure that we can get a lot done. These cars are pretty easy to take apart. Everything's going to be coming out of it. I even think the driver's seat's going to be coming out of it because this is a power seat, and I'm not a fan of power seats. I had a couple issues with power seats before, and Toyota power seats are a no-go for me. So I'll be ripping all this out and starting on it. So I guess let's get tearing this thing apart. Well, she's pretty much stripped. All we got left to do now is basically the glass, the dash, maybe the tail lights, I'm thinking. So that's not too bad. We did that pretty quickly today. Did run into a couple snags with the windows because I have no power with the windows. That kind of thing, but oh well, it came along. So this one's stripped now. Again, I have no idea where this car is going. I have no idea where it's going to be ran, but Project NUKEM is coming along, so I guess we should make it official and spray paint NUKEM on the side. NUKEM! So Project NUKEM is coming along. Like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care, guys.